Does Chipotle fall into that category? A Terra Nova stock at one point? Are you back in that? I can't remember.
I'm not. I made
Baird.
This is right about where I got out of it.
Baird makes it their fresh pick. Mm-hmm. They take the price target to $800. It's about $100 or so, $90 from where it is right now, higher. Long thought of as a high growth stock, momentum stock, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't fall into the category. That quality? Is it quality? What you would consider it? Or?
Well, this has more of a stronger momentum tilt to it, a much higher PE. When I look at sales growth, it was 13% in the last quarter. The average sales growth over the prior 8 quarters was 10%. So I don't know if that aligns properly, but I think the momentum and trajectory is higher for Chipotle, and the beta is very low, and that's something that I think most people would be surprised by. It's only 0.66 in a name like this. So I could see it going higher. I rang the register. I put the money into McDonald's. I put the money into Dunkin'. I'm very happy with where those two names are
today. Chipotle is an intern season play. When you look at major cities and you look at business districts, you see lines out the door at Chipotle between June, July, August. I could come up with a reason to own it on technicals, perhaps, but a better reason is that the fundamental story has gotten better, even though the market has started to appreciate that, given how much it's gone up. I just think that this is a similar type of stock where people are saying it's back to being a secular growth story. It definitely, the tariff thing was nonsense, how they're saying it could cost them $15 million in avocado costs. That was a non-story. This is another secular grower. I think, again, it's more interesting to watch that as a play on the consumer and not focus as much on the overall S&P.
The CEO is awesome. He came from Yum.
Right, people love him.
And he is
of Chipotle?
Tremendous. Yes,
yeah.
He is tremendous. I don't own the stock because it's expensive at 54 times. I own McDonald's.
He came from Taco Bell.
Yeah, from Yum, yeah.
Brian Nickel, I think is his name.
Yeah, he's terrific.
Yes.
They've done a great job.
So you still own McDonald's?
I do.
All-time high today. Worth noting in this group. Starbucks, all-time high. Yum, which you're just talking about, all-time high. Wendy's, highest levels since 2007.
Yeah.
But McDonald's is your star of the group?
Well, I like it because there's kind of a restructuring story and a remodeling story, and they have very easy comparisons, which is actually unlike Chipotle. They have tougher comparisons going forward, so it might be a little bit harder for them. But McDonald's has very easy comparisons, and I think that they're probably going to upside surprise on same-store sales. I'm not buying it here, though. I mean, I was buying it in December at $175. So it's had a nice run, but this, again, falls into quality, defensive, right up there with Walmart, and so it's my barbell.